Good morning. Can I take your order?
Can I get a tall chai?
A large black coffee.
Hold on a second. Did he just ask for a coffee? A large black coffee?
A large black coffee.
I thought we couldn't say a coffee because coffee is an uncountable noun. Does Paul Rudd not know how to speak English?
Robert teaches English.
It's true that coffee is a mass noun or an uncountable noun. So if I said something like, coffee is black, I would say, coffee is black, not a coffee is black.
Nope.
But there's a common misconception that I can't ask you to buy me a coffee or may I please have a coffee. We can say this. And the reason is that when we ask for a coffee, we're really asking for a cup of coffee. The cup is implied when you say something like, could I get a coffee, or would you please buy me a coffee? You'll see that Paul Rudd uses this convention when he orders a large black coffee in the clip.
A large black coffee.
You'll also notice that this same language is used on this website. It says, buy a coffee for Robert Teaches English. And by the way, if you want to buy me a coffee, I've set this page up so you can donate $1 at a time in case you want to support the channel. So if you want to support the channel, there's no subscription, just buy me a coffee if you'd like. We can use this same rule where we imply the vessel to things like water. So you could go somewhere and order a water. It will be implied that you're ordering a glass of water or a bottle of water. In fact, in the video clip, Jessica Morris takes this even further. She refers to a 10.
How much is that? Here's a 10.
Clearly 10 is more than one thing, so why would we ever say a 10?
Here's a 10.
Because similar to the implied vessel for a coffee or a water, a $10 bill is implied. You could say, here's a 10 instead of, here's a $10 bill. So when are you allowed to break the rule and say something like a coffee or a water? It's easy. Just imagine, are you able to say that same sentence with a cup or a bottle added in? Let's do some quick practice. Would I be able to say, I don't like a coffee? Yes or no? Can I say, I don't like a coffee? Good. I can't say that because I wouldn't say I don't like a cup of coffee. If I'm talking about things I like or dislike, that's a general truth. So I'm not talking about a specific cup of coffee. I would just say, I don't like coffee. What about this one? I'd like to order a coffee. Good. Yeah, we're definitely allowed to say that because I could add in a cup. I'd like to order a cup of coffee. I hope you enjoyed that strange English rule. I also made a video about why I am a 33-year-old man rather than a 33 years old man. You can check that video out right here and learn some more English.